So hello everyone, welcome back to our school without bag. Today we came here with very interesting question that why some movies and books are banned. So we will give the answer on it.
So first thing is that bad languages, because in many movies and books there is written that, and most of the scene are here in the movies, they can use some rude languages, and that's why most of the people who are don't they are against it, and they don't want to listen this kind of thing, and also most of the people don't want to listen and also show this kind of thing with their childrens, and especially for teenagers.
So, why many books get banned? So, the question comes here. So, I will tell you. So, first thing is that the language that the Hariom told, and second thing is that about the reality about the society, about LGBTQ plus, and about many things, even the sexuality, and also the vulgarity is if even there in the books. So, the books will be banned. So, if there would be a younger reader or a younger person is reading that book, so it would be not good and it would be sensitive for that the younger child and for the younger reader. That's why the many companies, many people ban the book.
And do you know about the guys third reason of it? The third reason is it in books or movies. Sometimes the most blood cases, or if you will talk about the books, the harassment cases wrote by the some writers or author. So this will not be touched by the any teenager or you can say the young one. So that's why the government and mob banned it, and the community guidelines try to stick the answer on it. So that's why this will be changed by the author, or the full of script will be changed by the author. And do you know that there are many movies are there which banned in every each state of India. For example, that in the Andhra Pradesh, OPD, Arunachal Pradesh, The Last Whisper, the Bihar, the gang of Vasapur, and there are many. For example, in the Maharashtra, Court, and Madhya Pradesh, Samantha, there are many movies which are banned because of their, you can say, sexuality types of the parts, or which are not supposed to sing by the young person. Said about the religion. So yes, the many authors correctly point out of the authors of the religious. There is a problem of religious. For example, we have no chance to the state, or you can say the out of the finger in front of any other religion or of country, and the government is also banned it.
So, banning the movies is also a part of bad language, like our Hariom said. But do you know a movie that banned in every kind of state in India? Like, let's talk about the Indian Daughter, in which it has been clearly shown how the girl got raped, harassed by the boys group, and also talking about the Fire. There is a movie Fire which is also banned in every states of the India, and it in that movie there is so vulgarity, so nudity, and talking about the one more movie that name is the one more book named Sanatic, that the books in that book there is too much of bad about the Islam and the Hindu. There is the writer is talking about bad things about the Hindu and Muslim things, so that's why the talking about religious, and because the book was very bad and the things written in that was sensitive, so that's why the people need to ban that book.
And also, as my friend said it about the violence, in which most of the time what happen, because of in the many movies there is happening with what happened, they are because of the blooding and fighting scenes. Because of this, most of the people are interrupt is in which most of the people behave like violence, and most of the people try to do this kind of things. And also talk about religion. Most of the movies most of the people in the society, they don't like many movies because of the religion, in which they can this kind of thing about the religions figures, which most of the people don't like in the society, and that's why most of the people think that movies are disrespecting us.
Now let's come to the Unfreedom movie. In that movie, it's fully related to the homosexuality, and in that movie, it's fully related. Yes, written on Google that it is full of homosexuality. Even they are roasting, they are showing LGBTQ reality, and many vulgarity, nudity, and many things are there in that movie. So that it's not good that much. That's why the people need to ban. Because what about the younger you? If they would see that, it would be sensitive for all of them.
And do you know there is also one psychology behind it, that why people ban the movies or books. First thing, that if not young one will be read it. So there is also chance of that this will be directly impact on the mental health, or you can say the unactivity type of things will be happen. The for example, now you are normal as a younger one, but if you will read or see the movies of the teenager type of movies, or you can say the what my friend said that yes, homosexual type of movies, if you will be see, so your mind will be converted into bad things. For example, now your mind will be diverted into two things. There are many possibilities. Your mind will be divert into two things. First thing in a positive, but and second is negative. But the mind, what mind says that you will be go to the negativity. I have one question for all my friends, that if the movies are banning or the books are banning, so why government is not, or the community guidelines, or why they are not banning the links or the apps which are providing or promoting them?
So I don't know about that much, but I will tell what I know. So the government is trying to stop seeing these kind of vulgarity, nudity, and violence type of books and you can say the movies. So the government is trying, but some people who have read, who downloaded that, who saved that in their mobile phone, they are leaking it. So the government are not able to stop that properly, because if they would stop that person, a new person will come and he will start to upload, and the person will start to upload the things on the internet. So the government is not able to do.
And also sometimes government don't know about this kind of thing, because there are many people who are doing this kind of thing illegally, because most of the apps are here, applications are here. Most of the people secretly download the apps and using the movies and watch the movies, and most of the time government don't know about this kind of thing, and that's why they are not taking action on it.
These all things are available on the deep web, because if you don't know about the deep web is a kind of a deep side of the internet in which the many nudity, vulgarity, violence, abusive words, movies, books are available, and in that you might have seen very lack of movies on the internet, on the on the your television, that they are using bad words, there is sexuality and something else are there in that in your movie. But if you will see on the internet, on the deep web, you might have seen and you might definitely see this thing on the internet, on the deep web. Yes, I got this information from the Meta AI and the Chat GPT. You can see on that.
And the one thing more came. Do you know that there are millions or the billions of the website or links are there? But why government is not trying to banning this? The government is trying daily by the help of the cyber police. But why they are not getting the at the end result? Because nobody knows who are making these kind of reels, or the links, websites are there, who are the promoting, because there is no any id, there is no any password, there is no any information, or there is no any deep word, or we cannot we never say that he is a person who is making these kind of the links, because millions of people are there. How we can blame to the other person? Or this information I got from the to if government really want to control this all the kind of things, so government should make the new department, books or movies department, which will be see the all the movies or all the books are supposed.
So I have a question for all of my friends. If there is no vulgarity, no nudity, no violence, no abusive word, and if there is a movie getting banned by the government and by the organizations, what can be the reason behind it? Can you tell me?
So if there is no kind of violence and about behind the getting the banned the many movies and many books, it's about the movies, and because most of the movies are here and books are here who are doing this kind of things, and about if there is no any kind of violence in the movies and in the any kind of book, so there is a no need of ban any book.
And according to my point of view, they should be banned. The all kind of violence, because humans have also other expressions, other emotions are there who can attract the people. And at the starting, many people will be disappointed with this point, that how you can say that this should not be banned. The violence is more important. Actions are too important. Okay, but if you will talk about the other side, the love things are also here. The other thing, the matters, the relationship, the relatives are also here. If you will talk about them movies, this kind of movies, so this will be touch our hearts, or if you can say it will be cross.
So I want to talk about most of the books. In most of the books, you might have seen that they are giving the knowledge, but in some books they are sharing the info that is sensitive, and in that on that books inside of that book, the thing that is related to the homosexuality, sexuality, nudity, and any kind of thing related to it, and that's why the government banned it. But do you know what is the reason why they are sharing? They want to earn money only. And what about the younger youths? What about them, in which their mindset and their mental health will not be good, because in that teenage life sorry, in the teenage life, you might have seen you are a kind of person that learns and sets their kind of mindset and a mental health they upgrade. But if you will come and addicted to this kind of things like these bad movies and these bad books, so it will not hurt you, it will hurt your mindset and your goals and your future. That's why it should be definitely banned by from anyone.
And let's take an example of a book, Harry Potter series, in which what happened, it banned because of the magic. Most of the people are saying this because of the like magic, and most of the thing is happening in the series in which, and also that's most of the people are saying this. That's why it's dangerous.
And you know, there are also many books are presented for the coding and the hacking. And these are fully banned, but now people are selling it because they got know about it, the knowledge of the coding, they complete the course of it, and after that they printed books and sell it illegally. But they are fully banned, and people are getting the knowledge about the hacking, the coding, and they are continuously hacking our accounts. OTP scams type of things are happening because of books only. This is the also biggest reason of our India, that if government is will we do the strict work on it, so this must will be banned.
Yes. So, also talking about the religious fight, in which that I told about the Hindu book and also the satanic book, in which the satanic book they are also criticizing. No, sir. Sanatanic. The Sanatanic book, in which in that book, yes, religious sentiments, and they are talking about bad about the Hinduism. But talking about in the Hindus book, the person who wrote that book is talking about bad and showing the fake things and fake news, negative all things about our Hinduism, our Hindu god, which can start a war in front. Yes, divide the society in Hindu, Muslim, and etc. religious in the religion. So that kind of thing can hurt the whole country and the whole world. Because if the religion will start to fight, that's why this the book should be banned. And I got information from ChatGPT, Google and ChatGPT.
So, you all know, guys, about the books and the movies are banning, and and people, but now people are also promoting them. So, as a person or as a people or a citizen of this country, how we can stop it or control it?
So talking about myself, if anyone and me want, if I get addicted to it and anyone get addicted to it, so they need to forget everything. They need to start a new work. Like talking about their goals in the future, what they want to become, a doctor, engineer, any kind of thing that they want to do. Addicted to this thing, to that thing that they wanted to become, like doctor, engineer, and any kind of thing, like they wanted to become the gamer. So forget everything, the movies, the books, and forget everything, go to the side of the gaming. And if you want to become a doctor, you need to go to the side of the doctoring, because if you will study and if you will forget everything, you will easily get out of that, and that's the main source. You need to forget everything.
And I think in the books and movies, what is happening on, most of the people interested in the violence, and that's the reality. Most of the people have interest in the violence, and also in bad languages and many other things about the discrimination among the regions. So if sorry, if this kind of thing will disappear in the movies and the books, so most of the time it might be happen, the interest of the people will disappear as comparison to the now which interest is happening in the happening in the movies and books. Now if in the future it will be disappear.
Yes, so if we really want to control or stop it, so we should beat our need, because the people create the things or movies or website links as a need, and now we are taking as a need. So that's why the creators are making it, because now it's become the needs of peoples, and they think that now people has needs and they are taking the bad or negative benefits of yourself, because you are searching the bad thing, or the you can say non-searchable things you are searching, because now it's become your needs, our needs, and our society trapped in this loop, and they are continuously watching movies, website, links. So the first thing you should correct yourself, then
Without knowing the consequences.
Hmm?
Without knowing the consequences.
Yes, and without knowing the consequences, you are just using the website, playing the links or videos. So you should change yourself first, then the other will be changed.
Was it? Thank you. Yes. Why? What do you think?
What do you think about it? It's a very serious case that you are also giving the donation in it.
So thank you for listening. This side of friends, School Without Bag. Bye.